Dash cams have become essential for every driver, offering peace of mind, evidence in case of accidents, and capturing unexpected moments on the road. From high-resolution video to night vision and advanced safety features, the best dash cams combine reliability, clarity, and smart functionality to keep you protected while driving. Starting at number 1, Garmin Dash Cam 67W. Garmin. Dash Cam 67W is a compact, high-quality windshield camera that delivers crisp 1440p HD video with an extra-wide 180-degree field of view, capturing more of the road and surroundings. It offers voice control for hands-free operation and built-in GPS to tag footage with location and speed. With features like incident detection, parking guard monitoring, remote access via the Garmin Drive TM app, and automatic uploads to secure cloud storage, it helps protect your vehicle both on the move and when parked. Plus, it comes with a memory card included for instant use. Number 2. Garmin Dash Cam Mini. Garmin. Dash Cam Mini 2 is an ultra-compact, car key-sized dash camera that stays virtually hidden behind your windshield while capturing important moments on the road in 1080p Full HD with a wide 140-degree field of view. It features voice control for hands-free commands, incident detection that automatically saves footage if something happens, and Wi-Fi connectivity to upload clips to Garmin's secure vault and view them via the Garmin Drive app on your smartphone. With a low-profile design and easy app-based control, it quietly protects your vehicle both while driving and parked. Number 3. Vantrue T3 1520p Dash Cam. Vantrue T3 1520p Dash Cam is a reliable car dashboard camera that records crisp video up to 2592 watts 1520p with a 160-degree wide-angle lens and HDR night vision for clear footage day or night. It includes radar motion detection parking mode, using microwave radar to detect real movement around your parked car and trigger recording, and comes with an OBD hardwire cable so it can stay powered even when your vehicle is off. The camera features a supercapacitor for better heat tolerance and long life, loop recording that overwrites old clips automatically, a G sensor to lock incident video, and support for up to 256 GB microSD storage. Number 4. Vantrue E2 Dash Cam. Vantrue E2 Dash Cam front and rear is a dual camera system that simultaneously captures 2.7K resolution video from both front and rear cameras, giving you detailed footage of the road in all directions. It uses Sony StarViz sensors and WDR night vision tech for clearer day and night recordings and features hands-free voice control, built-in GPS to log speed and route, and 5 GHz Wi-Fi for quick video transfer to your phone via the Vantrue app. With 24/7 parking monitoring with hardwire kit, G-sensor impact detection, loop recording, and support for up to 512 GB storage, it helps protect your vehicle and provides reliable evidence when you need it. Number 5. Vantrue N2X Dash Cam. The Vantrue N2X 2.7K Dash Cam is a dual camera system that records both front road view, up to 2.7K 1944p, and interior cabin video, 1080p, with Sony StarViz 2 sensors and HDR night vision for sharp footage in bright and low light conditions. It includes 5G Wi-Fi for fast wireless video transfer, built-in GPS to log speed and location, voice control for hands-free operation, and 24/7 buffered parking mode that captures pre- and post-event clips to monitor your car even when parked. With support for up to 512 GB microSD storage, loop recording, G-sensor impact detection, and a magnetic mount for easy installation, it's designed to give comprehensive protection and evidence for both daily driving and professional use like rideshare services.